My favorite country is Italy, and my best friend dream is to go to Lake Como. So let's go there hitchhiking. And this region is famous for risotto, so let's discover its secrets and all the local specialties. Only one rule, no internet assistance, only human assistance. If I cheat, I give €5 to a charity. Now let's go on the road of risotto. How are you doing? I met Alfredo last Christmas in Sayulita in Mexico. We spent the Christmas dinner together, and what a party! He's also a big traveler and lovely guy. For dinner, we're going to the pizza restaurant in his town close to Milano. We start the dinner with a Spritz, of course. A lot of different fries, things they love in Italy, and some with some cheese inside. Oh, yummy! And we are in the pizza place, so of course we get some pizzas. And Alfredo has something to reveal about his love for pizza as an Italian.
Yeah, but what pizza did you try in Mexico? Tell us, Alfredo. Tell us, Alfredo.
It's our secret.
No, it won't be a secret anymore.
I cannot say, I'm sorry.
I will tell it. Alfredo just said he loved pizza with pineapple. He can't say it, but he did it. He did it in Mexico. Any comments, Alfredo?
No.
After talking with the pizza chef, I managed to get a pizza class.
Receta della
Pizza. Pizza napoletana.
Important. Pizza Napolitana is from Napoli, and we are in Milano, so it's not a specialty from here. Even from the fries, it's more from the sauce. I prefer to say it before the bad comments about the food.
Prima stesura.
Mozzarella.
E mozzarella, margherita, finish.
¿Cuánto tiempo?
Un minuto e mezzo.
¿Y cuánto grado dentro?
400.
400. Oh. Grazie mille.
Prego.
Of course, we end the dinner with some desserts, the classic tiramisu, and some liquors like the melancello and licorice shots. And now it's time to go to sleep, and Alfredo is telling us the best spot in Milano. And next day, time to go in Milano and let our luggages in the famous hostel in Milano, Ostello Bello, recommended by Alfredo. Last day with Lizu, we're still friends. No one kill each other.
We have a few hours left, huh?
Yeah. Maybe if you see a murder about a French Asian guy, he's gonna be her, the killer. Be aware of that. Huh? Hey, what's your reaction about Alfredo?
Oh my god. It was so nice. It was like embarrassing how much he was nice. He invited us for dinner. We wanted to share, like just the two of us because he was hosting us. And he wanted to pay all of the bill. Not sharing free, but just him. Voila, and then he gave us his bed and he slept on the couch. So
Voila.
We are waiting for you in Bordeaux.
Yes, thank you, Alfredo.
Alfredo.
You have a house in Bordeaux. After a few minutes walking, we stop at a beautiful coffee. The sandwiches look stunning, so let's try for appetizer. One sandwich was with fish cooked like the cotelletta, the Milano specialty. It's breaded. And we also get another one with eggplant.
Bread is crispy, light.
Then we continue our path and visit the city. Alfredo gave us a recommendation about a restaurant, but unfortunately it's closed. So we found a nice terrace not far, and they have 2 risotto on the menu. So let's try this and get the secret of the risotto from Milano, because there is one from here. So let's go in the kitchen.
This is the special one from Milan.
Yes.
This is with saffron.
Yes.
¿Cuál es el secreto para fechar un risotto?
L'amore.
El amor.
The love.
¿Y cuánto tiempo?
For the cook,
Yeah.
this one are 20 minutes.
With the broth
Yes, with the bread until the butter.
And this is the final step.
Yes, this is the final step. Buttered with Parmesan cheese and service.
There is a lot of saffron inside, or
For one rice, 5 spoons.
5 spoons.
The starter, I can't find the name, but Lizu has an opinion.
C'est très bon. C'est très frais.
Then the famous risotto with Milano style.
Ah putain, elle est bon. But there is a lot of cheese. It's very, very, very cheesy. So many risottos. I have the feeling like they were all different. It's crazy. Like no risotto were the same. So different tasty. It's the road of risotto.
And the second, which is not really a risotto but more fried rice with the Milano style and melted gorgonzola.
It's pan. It's a crispy one. So different. You have to come here, this guy. Lisa has a second love. It's not me or Antoine, a boyfriend. Tiramisu.
Tiramisu is one of mi amore.
Yeah, el segundo after me. And so right now we have a second recommendation of Alfredo, and it's just beside the restaurant where we are. So we just go there. We have many sweet to try. So sweet afternoon.
So sad. Ah, oui.
In this place, there are a lot of tiramisu flavors, but important, tiramisu is not from Milano, it's from Veneto, the Venice region. So let's try them. We picked several flavors. The classic ones, salted caramel, peanut butter, pistachio. And the winner by far is
Salted caramel.
at a good place. So if you want many tiramisus to try, taste it. Now let's walk and meet Alfredo in a place we saw this morning while walking. It looks great, so we just decided to try it. And I was not really allowed to film. But one thing delicious, the Rocher. This piece of chocolate, what I like. That was a blast. And Alfredo wants to show us one special place in Milano along the canal. Still around food, but don't worry, we walked a lot to eliminate a bit. It's a restaurant with Italian food and buffet, so it's unlimited and you pay between 14 and 17 euros for your drink, which is a Spritz, and you have so many different ones. I'm not a big fan usually, but to be fair, it was not bad for the price. And the quality was okay. And then we just spent the night and drank a lot of drinks. And it's also the end of this adventure. And what an adventure. We crossed France hitchhiking, discovered Lake Como, tasted so many different food, and also so many risottos. And all of this with my best friend, and of course, Alfredo. I'm lucky. And I want to thank you for watching and see you next week for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. And see you next week. Bye bye.